Now we move from theory to real aircraft case studies, where we will see how structural principles are applied to solve actual safety and reliability issues. FAA issued this AD to replace the flight compartment windows. Post-certification, it was found that the windows may not meet type design requirements for withstanding a bird impact due to the elimination of a witness test specimen and process changes that affect main bondline strength. What is the regulatory requirement that dictates what strength the windows should have? It is 25.631 bird strike requirement. In simple terms, the CS-25 bird strike requirement says that a large passenger aircraft must be able to safely continue flying and land even after hitting a medium-sized bird, about 4 pounds or 1.8 kilograms, like a big duck, at normal flight speed. The airplane does not need to remain undamaged, but critical forward-facing parts such as the nose, windshield, wing leading edge, or tail must not fail in a way that makes the aircraft uncontrollable or causes catastrophic structural failure. In short, after a realistic bird impact at flight speed, the aircraft must still be safe to fly and land. As illustrated by this case study, it is essential to understand the applicable regulations, determine the required structural strength of the affected components, and demonstrate compliance with those requirements.